Hello. So today we are going to discuss on text handling utilities. So first we'll start with the grep family, the grep utility. So we'll cover the grep, and fgrep and egrep, and how to use them to search patterns within a file, or you can say within your log file or in your program. Okay, and even on the command line. Okay, so let's start with that. So you can see on my screen I have created a dummy file. Let's call it as an execution.log file. Okay, and I'll simply run it to see this is a simple content of the file. Okay, and now I have not yet applied any filters, so we are using now a grep filter to fetch some of the data from this file, and to make it clear to understand how grep really works. Okay. Yeah, so what grep stands for? So it is global search for regular expression. You can see this when you say grep. Okay, basically stands for global search for regular expression and print. Okay, so this is the basically you can say the form of this global search for regular expression and print. Okay, here. Okay, so now let's see how this works. So what we have to give is the command is all in lowercase, because as you all know the Unix is case sensitive, and this we are using typically a bash as a shell. Okay, so now we'll give a grep. Now this should be followed by what we want to search, so we can say pattern here. Okay, followed by can give one or more file name or directory, and this is a file name reference. Okay, so this is the syntax. So based on this syntax, what we'll now do is, let's say this is our file and I am saying here grep Unix from execution.log. okay, so this is my pattern. So I want to search where all the keyword Unix appears in my file execution.log. okay, and you can see here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the result of it once I will execute this. Yeah, I will put one more echo line here. This is another script I created just to showcase you in a better way. Okay, so I will run this now. Yeah, okay. So you can see now when I say I want to search for Unix, so out of these we have 5 lines. Okay, so totally we have these 5 lines inside the file. Okay, this is the lines in the file, and you will see now that yes, the Unix appears only on first line. Okay, so whenever it searches a pattern in a particular line, so grep returns the entire line. It will not return only that keyword, but it will return the entire matching line from the file name. Okay, let's take another example. So instead of Unix, I will give text. Okay, and I'll run this. Okay, so now you can see here when I say I want to see all the lines containing text, that is my intention. You can see in my in the file, the line number 3 and line number 4, they are containing the keyword text, and that's the reason these 2 lines are displayed in the output. Okay, so I hope you are at least getting this. This is a very basic command of grep. Okay, we will explore more advanced options under it. Okay, let's come back to the presentation here. Okay, now yes, so it's global search for regular expression and print. We have to give, now we have seen grep, then pattern and the file name. Now there are various options also, so we have not yet seen options. Let's go one by one. So the I option, that is for ignoring the case. Okay, so this search is case sensitive. Let's come back to our editor and let's say I have given this as grep text. Okay, so I have changed the case and I am running it now. You can see there is no result shown here. Yeah, this is empty. There is no result shown here because there is no matching pattern with capital T, the text starting with capital T, because all here text starting with small t, and that's reason it is not finding any matching pattern in this file. Okay, so now what we can do is, in case there are maybe some use cases where we don't really care about the case from the business point of view and we want to ignore the case, but yeah, we want to search for a particular word but we don't want it to be case sensitive during at least the searching part. Okay, so what we can do is we can use the option here. Okay, so we have now the third command like part is option we can use. So it's like all separated by space. So what option we have to give? We have to use option -I. So this is for ignores cases. So I stands for ignoring what? Cases. So if I run now this, it will give me the result because it is now ignoring the case. So it will identify text, anything in capital, anything in small. So that's the reason the both lines appear now. I hope you understand this. So if I remove this option, I'll save it, I'll run it, I'll not find anything in the output. The moment I will give ignoring the case, just capital -I, small I, ignoring the case, and I'll run it. Yes, you can see the output on the screen. Okay, yes, it's pretty simple. Let's move on to next option. We have option called N. So it is like it will give the line number. Okay, so precede each line by its line number in the file. Okay, let's try this out. We will simply give now this down. Okay, and say print line number. Okay, so number, you can remember this thing, and that's the reason you can give, let's say -N. I'll again say text and I'll give this file name. Okay, I don't want this output, let's for time being. Okay, I just need the line number. Okay, save. I will run this. Okay, so now you can see something here. It is printing the line number also, line number 3, line number 4. Okay, I'll maybe just print out the line number here so that it's clear to you which line number it is printing. Okay, so you can see this is an ordinary file. This is my line number 3. Yes, line number 3. So in the output also we are getting line number 3 and it is separated by semicolon. Okay, it's clear. So you can see this is a semicolon and it gives a line number. So sometimes we need to find suppose in the log file that the error occurs at which number of lines. So we can give, let's say, something like this. Instead of text it will have, let's say, some error code. You can put error code 1234. This is like, let's say, my error code particular thing, and then you can find out that okay, this error code occurs at line number, because in general we'll have a file having 10,000 50,000 lines in practical scenarios. So you can get the line number using this command and then you can directly go to that line number and debug. Okay, that's one of the use cases you can use for the line number. So I hope this is clear. Now the options, so we have seen this is separate -I -n. Can we combine the option? Yes, so we can see now. If I say now -text, it will be the result. It will not show me anything, yeah, because there is no matching line with the text. But then what I'll do, I will combine this with option I. I'll run this again. Yes, I can see now the result, because -n and -I both are combined. So you can have another syntax also, you can put it like this. So this is also an easy way, gives the same result. Okay, now let's say we'll try something as let's say want with okay, fine. Okay, let me check it out. What is wrong? Utilities. Oh, I don't have, so I don't have the typo. Okay, so this will give me the line containing utilities. We can change this now 5. But yeah, you can see this is finding the matching. Now here we can see one more thing. This grep, when we say I want to search particular pattern, not necessarily it will be complete word. I can just give info. Though there is no as such info word in my file, it will now filter in even information, because it is finding the text. It doesn't matter whether the text is complete word or it is in any other form. So it will find the keyword in the entire your paragraph, entire file. Okay, so now you can see it will return the file containing information. I don't see anywhere the info is there, so yeah, we'll see the result, and it will show also the line number as 2. Let's save this, run this now. Yeah, okay, so this is thing we have covered for -n and -I option. Let's go to the next option, which is -v. So it will, so we'll see -v. Okay, so the option -v is used to print all the lines except matching pattern. So as you can see here, now I will say grep -v, and I will say info and then my file name. Okay, and once we'll run this, okay, so there are 5 files, and it will not print the file or the line the line containing the info keyword. So it is printing 1, 3, 4, 5. Even this we can combine with other options. I can say here I also want to print the line numbers, which is the one we seen here. Okay, so I'll say here n. Okay, and now I will run it. So it will give me, yes, it is not printing the line number 2, but it is printing 1, 3, 4, 5. So I hope it is clear. Okay, let's move to the next option we have. So let's move to the next option, which is -c. Okay, so in this it will print, so I can combine with even this. If I'll say let's say there's no point of doing this, let's come here and I will say grep -c info, and I will say execution.log, and if I run this, what it will give me is the how much count. It will simply return me the count, it will not give the content. So I just want to see that how much time the text appears in my file. It is like on how many lines it appears. So I can say -c, so it will give me 2, because the text appears on 2 lines. Okay, similarly if I have, let's say I just want to type any or not, so not also appears 2 times. Yes, so it is displayed. Okay, so this is about the grep family. Thank you for watching.